Hey there, BMX enthusiasts and thrill seekers. Are you ready to take your riding to the next level? Have you been searching for that perfect bike that can handle all your tricks and stunts? Well, you're in luck, because today we're diving into the world of BMX bikes to bring you the absolute best options on the market. Whether you're a beginner looking to get started or a pro searching for your next ride, we've got you covered. So buckle up and get ready to discover the top 7 BMX bikes that will have you shredding parks, streets and trails like never before. 7. Let's kick things off with the Eastern Bike's Lowdown model. This bike is a true gem in the BMX world, and I've had the pleasure of putting it through its paces. From the moment I hopped on, I could feel the quality and craftsmanship that went into this machine. The Lowdown model boasts a lightweight yet durable frame made from 100% chromoly. This material choice gives the bike an excellent strength to weight ratio, making it perfect for both street riding and park sessions. I was impressed by how responsive the bike felt, allowing me to pull off tricks with ease and precision. One of the standout features of the Lowdown model is its sealed bearings throughout. This includes the headset, bottom bracket, and both hubs. During my test rides, I noticed how smoothly everything moved, reducing friction and ensuring a longer lifespan for these crucial components. It's a feature that both beginners and pros will appreciate, as it means less maintenance and more time riding. The bike comes equipped with 2.4 tires, which I found to be the perfect balance between grip and maneuverability. Whether I was grinding on rails or catching air off ramps, these tires provided the confidence I needed to push my limits. The 25-9 Tesla gearing offered enough resistance for street riding while still allowing for quick acceleration when needed. Lastly, I have to mention the aesthetics of this bike. The sleek black finish with subtle branding gives it a professional look that's sure to turn heads at the skate park. Overall, the Eastern Bike's Lowdown model is a solid choice for riders looking for a high-quality, versatile BMX bike that can handle whatever you throw at it. 6. Next up, we have the Schwinn Sting Pro and Predator Team BMX bike, a fantastic option for younger riders or those just getting into the sport. As someone who's ridden plenty of BMX bikes, I was curious to see how this youth-oriented model would perform, and I must say, I was pleasantly surprised. The first thing that caught my eye was the retro-inspired design. Schwinn has done an excellent job of capturing the classic BMX look while incorporating modern features. The high-tensile steel frame is both sturdy and lightweight, making it easy for younger riders to handle while still being able to withstand the inevitable bumps and crashes that come with learning. During my test rides, I was impressed by the bike's stability. The 20-inch wheels paired with the wide, knobby tires provided excellent traction on various surfaces. Whether I was riding on pavement, dirt, or grass, the bike felt secure and confidence-inspiring. This is crucial for younger riders who are still developing their skills and need a forgiving platform to learn on. The single-speed drivetrain is perfect for BMX riding, offering simplicity and reliability. I found the gear ratio to be well chosen, providing enough resistance for pedaling on flat ground while still allowing for quick acceleration when needed. The coaster brake in the rear hub is intuitive for younger riders to use, though more experienced riders might prefer a handbrake setup. One aspect that really stood out to me was the quality of the components. The alloy rims are lightweight and strong, and the sealed bearings in the hubs ensure smooth rolling and minimal maintenance. The padded seat and textured pedals add comfort and control, which are essential for longer riding sessions. Overall, the Schwinn Sting Pro and Predator Team BMX bike is an excellent choice for kids and youth looking to get into BMX riding. It offers a perfect blend of classic style and modern performance, all at a price point that won't break the bank. 5. Huffy Stone Mountain Hardtail Mountain Bike. Now, I know what you're thinking. A mountain bike on a BMX list, but hear me out. The Huffy Stone Mountain Hardtail mountain bike is a versatile option that can handle some BMX-style riding while offering the added benefits of a mountain bike. As someone who enjoys both disciplines, I was excited to put this bike through its paces. The first thing I noticed when riding the Stone Mountain was its sturdy steel frame. While it's heavier than a typical BMX bike, it provides excellent durability for off-road adventures. The 26-inch wheels offer great rollover ability, allowing you to tackle obstacles that might be challenging on a smaller BMX bike. One of the standout features of this bike is its suspension fork. During my test rides, I found that it did an excellent job of absorbing bumps and vibrations, making for a smoother ride on rough terrain. This is particularly beneficial for riders who want to try some light BMX-style tricks, but also enjoy trail riding. The 21-speed Shimano drivetrain is a significant departure from the single-speed setups found on most BMX bikes. While it adds complexity, it also provides a wider range of gears for tackling various terrains. I found this especially useful when riding up hills or when I wanted to pick up speed on flat sections. The linear pull brakes offer reliable stopping power, which is crucial when you're experimenting with tricks or navigating technical trails. The wide, knobby tires provide excellent traction on various surfaces, from dirt jumps to rocky paths. While the Huffy Stone Mountain isn't a traditional BMX bike, it offers a unique blend of features that make it suitable for riders who want to dabble in BMX-style riding while also enjoying the versatility of a mountain bike. It's an excellent option for those who aren't ready to commit fully to a BMX-specific bike, but still want to try out some tricks and jumps. 4. Yaphet 20-inch Freestyle BMX Bike. The Yaphet 20-inch Freestyle BMX Bike is a solid entry-level option that caught my attention with its sleek design and impressive feature set. As someone who's ridden countless BMX bikes, I was eager to see how this budget-friendly model would perform. Right off the bat, I was impressed by the bike's sturdy construction. The high-tensile steel frame and fork provide excellent durability, which is crucial for beginners who are likely to experience their fair share of spills. Despite the strong build, the bike remains relatively lightweight, making it easy to maneuver during tricks and stunts. One of the standout features of the Yaphet is its 25 multiplied by 90 gearing. This ratio offers a good balance between acceleration and top speed, which I found ideal for both street riding and park sessions. The single-speed drivetrain keeps things simple and reduces the need for maintenance, allowing riders to focus on improving their skills rather than worrying about gear adjustments. The 20-inch wheels are equipped with wide, grippy tires that provide excellent traction on various surfaces. During my test rides, I felt confident whether I was riding on smooth concrete or tackling rougher terrain. The alloy rims are both lightweight and durable, able to withstand the impacts associated with BMX riding. I was particularly impressed with the bike's braking system. The aluminium U-brakes offer reliable stopping power, which is crucial when you're pushing your limits and trying new tricks. The brake levers are easy to reach and operate, even for riders with smaller hands. The Yaphet also scores points for its aesthetics. The clean, minimalist design is available in several eye-catching colors, allowing riders to express their personal style. The padded seat and textured pedals add comfort and control, which are especially important for longer riding sessions. While it may not have all the high-end features of more expensive models, the Yaphet 20-inch Freestyle BMX bike offers excellent value for beginners and intermediate riders. It provides a solid foundation for learning and progressing in the world of BMX riding. 3. Dynacraft Tony Hawk. When it comes to BMX, few names carry as much weight as Tony Hawk. So, when I got the chance to test out the Dynacraft Tony Hawk BMX bike, I was understandably excited. This bike is designed to capture the spirit of the legendary skateboarder while offering a quality riding experience for BMX enthusiasts. The first thing that struck me about this bike was its robust construction. The steel frame and fork provide excellent durability, which is essential for a bike that's likely to see its fair share of tricks and stunts. Despite its sturdy build, I found the bike to be surprisingly agile, allowing for quick maneuvers and precise control. One of the standout features of the Tony Hawk BMX is its 360-degree rotor system. This allows the handlebars to spin freely, opening up a whole new world of trick possibilities. As someone who enjoys pushing the limits of what's possible on a BMX bike, I found this feature to be a game changer. It took some getting used to, but once I got the hang of it, I was pulling off bar spins and other rotational tricks with ease. The 20-inch wheels are equipped with wide, knobby tires that provide excellent traction on various surfaces. Whether I was riding on smooth concrete at the skate park or tackling dirt jumps, I felt confident in the bike's ability to maintain grip. The alloy rims are both lightweight and strong, able to withstand the impacts associated with aggressive riding. I was impressed with the bike's braking system, which features both a rear caliper brake and a coaster brake. This dual brake setup provides reliable stopping power in various situations. The coaster brake, in particular, adds an element of nostalgia and can be fun to use when performing certain tricks. The padded seat and textured pedals add comfort and control, which are especially important during longer riding sessions. I also appreciated the bike's aesthetics, with its sleek black finish and Tony Hawk branding giving it a professional look that's sure to turn heads at the skate park. While it may not have all the high-end components of more expensive BMX bikes, the Dynacraft Tony Hawk offers an excellent balance of performance, durability, and style. It's a great option for riders who are inspired by Tony Hawk's legacy and want a bike that can help them push their limits. Now, here's something a little different. The SWFT electric BMX bike. As someone who has primarily ridden traditional BMX bikes, I was intrigued by the idea of an electric-assisted BMX. After spending some time with this unique ride, I can say it offers an interesting twist on the classic BMX experience. The first thing you'll notice about the SWFT electric BMX is its sleek, modern design. Despite housing an electric motor and battery, the bike maintains a relatively slim profile that's not too far from a traditional BMX. The frame is made from lightweight aluminium, which helps offset the added weight of the electric components. The electric assist is the star of the show here. With a 350 watts motor, this bike can reach speeds of up to 19.8 miles per hour, which is quite impressive for a BMX-style bike. During my test rides, I found the electric boost to be smooth and responsive. It's especially useful for getting up to speed quickly or maintaining momentum on uphill sections. One of the aspects I was most curious about was how the electric assist would affect trick riding. I was pleasantly surprised to find that the bike still feels nimble and maneuverable. The added weight is noticeable, but not to the point where it significantly hinders performance. In fact, the electric assist can be advantageous for certain tricks, allowing you to carry more speed into jumps or maintain momentum during long combos. The bike features both pedal assist and throttle modes, giving riders flexibility in how they use the electric power. I found the pedal assist to be particularly useful for longer rides, as it helps reduce fatigue without taking away the physical aspects of BMX riding. The throttle mode, on the other hand, is great for quick bursts of speed or when you need a little extra help getting started. The 20-inch wheels are equipped with wide, grippy tires that provide excellent traction. The disc brakes offer reliable stopping power, which is crucial given the higher speeds this bike can achieve. I was impressed by how well the brakes performed, even when coming to a stop from top speed. While purists might argue that an electric BMX bike goes against the spirit of the sport, I found the SWFT electric BMX to be a fun and innovative take on BMX riding. It opens up new possibilities for tricks and riding styles, while also making the sport more accessible to a wider range of riders. And now, we've reached the top of our list with the Mongoose Legion Freestyle BMX bike. As a longtime fan of Mongoose, I had high expectations for this bike, and I'm happy to report that it didn't disappoint. This is a professional-grade BMX bike that's built to handle anything you can throw at it. The first thing that struck me about the Legion was its impeccable build quality. The frame is made from 4,130 chromoly steel, which offers an excellent balance of strength and weight. During my test rides, I could feel the difference this made in the bike's responsiveness and durability. Whether I was grinding on rails or landing big jumps, the frame felt solid and reliable. One of the standout features of the Legion is its geometry. Mongoose has clearly put a lot of thought into the bike's design, creating a setup that's perfect for both street and park riding. The 20.5 top tube length on the L20 model provides a roomy cockpit that allows for easy maneuverability. I found this especially beneficial when performing technical tricks that require precise body positioning. The components on this bike are top-notch. The three-piece tubular chromoly cranks are stiff and responsive, allowing for efficient power transfer when pedaling. The sealed bearing headset and bottom bracket ensure smooth operation and minimal maintenance, which is crucial for riders who put their bikes through heavy use. I was particularly impressed with the Legion's wheel setup. The 20 wheels feature double wall rims that can take a beating without folding. The wide, high-pressure tires provide excellent grip on various surfaces, from smooth concrete to rough asphalt. During my test rides, I felt confident pushing the bike to its limits, knowing that the wheels could handle whatever I threw at them. The braking system on the Legion is worth mentioning as well. The aluminium U-brakes offer excellent stopping power and modulation. I found them to be responsive and reliable, even during high-speed runs or when coming down from big air. Aesthetically, the Legion is a stunner. The clean, minimalist design is available in several color options, allowing riders to express their personal style. The graphics are subtle yet eye-catching, giving the bike a professional look that's sure to turn heads at the skate park. And there you have it, folks. Our comprehensive rundown of the top 7 BMX bikes on the market. Whether you're looking for a beginner-friendly option, an electric-assisted ride, or a pro-level machine, there's something here for every rider. Remember, the best bike for you is the one that matches your skill level, riding style, and budget. So get out there, find your perfect ride, and start shredding. Until next time, keep those wheels spinning and those tricks flowing.